What's going on, guys? If you're a fan of the M4 CSL like I am, you'll know that it shines in two key areas, performance and the looks. So in today's video, we're going to be updating the look of my G82 M4 with two key mods from the M4 CSL. Stay tuned, let's get started. Alright, so beside me, we have two mods that I pretty much wanted to do to the car ever since I bought it. These are CSL inspired tail lights and also the Yellow DRLs. For those of you who have looked into this mod, you'll know that the OEM variant of it is very pricey. The CSL OEM tail lights are probably around $7,000, and if you wanted to do the LCI tail lights, you're paying close to $3,000. So for us at MGG, we wanted to give you guys a more cost-effective option, but still giving you the same premium look, and I think we'll achieve it with these tail lights right here. Now, to give you guys just a close-up look of what the tail light looks like, you can see it comes in this nice dark red finish, very similar to the OEM version. This is going to be a plug-and-play setup. It's going to be mounted directly to the OEM plugs. There is no coding, no wiring needed, and it should be pretty easy to install. Now, moving on to the LED boards, as you guys can see, this is the full setup. Now, you might have seen when I did it on my M2, I had to swap the LED boards to the OEM module. This one is a full complete set, no modification required. Simple plug and play setup, everything is there, the boards and the module. This one should be pretty straightforward, easy to do, and it's another option that we do offer on the website. Now, if you do want, we can sell you the boards by itself, but me personally, I would just go with the full setup. Alright, so we got the first module in. Just wanted to quickly show you guys what it looks like. It's kind of hard to pick it up on camera, or maybe I can show you from this angle. Oh man, really nice difference. I can already see how this is going to come along. Some of you OG subscribers might remember I actually did a setup like this with the yellow and the white on my M2. I did like it for a few weeks, but I ended up switching to the full set. We're not going to do that on this car. We're just going to go ahead and do the full swap. Now, the second module isn't as easy to get to on this car. You're actually going to have to jack up the car, take off the wheels, remove the fender liner, and then get to the module, which is right behind the back of the headlight. A little bit more complicated, but still same process. Now, those modules are held in by two T20 screws. Again, it's a little bit more work to get to that module, but the final look will be worth it. Alright, so as you guys can see, we just installed one side. Just wanted to show you, to give you a quick comparison of what both looks like. This is the white side and then this is the yellow. Now the brightness is pretty much about the same. Right now I am loving the yellow side much more, you know, compared to the white. The white is very clean, but that yellow just gives it that nice pop of aggression. Really looking good. Now next up, I think we're just going to finish this side off and then go ahead straight to the taillights. Third nut out. This taillight specifically, at least the outer edge portion, is held in by 3 nuts, 2 on the exterior and then 1 on the interior. You know, it is a little bit difficult to get to it. I definitely recommend using a flashlight, and it's a 10mm nut. Now, it's directly located in the center. If you guys can see, definitely not the easiest to get to, but definitely doable. Alright guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for today's install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As usual, if you're interested in any of the parts that we included in today's video, I will be leaving a link in the description. You can check it out, motogeargarage.com, whether you're interested in getting the CSL DRLs or the CSL tail lights. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more geared up content, and until then, we're gone.